Hello and welcome to Coloring History, and today we will draw one of the greatest boxers in history, Muhammad Ali. He was a champion both inside and outside of the boxing ring. He was an inspiration for standing for what is right. And when we are done drawing this picture, this is what he should look like. So let's get started by making his face. We will make a U shape like this. Next, we will make his ears by going out like this and doing the other side. Next, we will make his hair by going up like this and then coming across and then making a curved line from here to here. All right, let's make the top of his head by making wavy lines for his hair. Let's make his eyes by making a rainbow shape, and let's make a U shape to connect each rainbow. And let's make a circle inside each eye. And let's partially shade it in by making a small circle inside each circle. All right, let's make his eyebrows by coming in like this, as if he has a serious look because he's fighting. And let's make a rainbow shape for the nose. And let's make a curved line for the mouth. And let's make another one like this. And let's make a horizontal line going across his mouth. And so we are done with his face. Let's make his body. So we're going to start off with his neck by making two vertical lines like this. And we are going to draw his boxing gloves. He has his gloves in defense mode. So we are going to make two rainbow shapes like this. And then we are going to go down a little bit like this on each glove. And let's make a U shape, which will be part of his arm. This is his elbow. And let's do the other glove. So now he has his hands up. And let's make two vertical lines like this. And another one for the other glove. And let's make his shoulders. So we are going to make a curved line like this. And another one like this for his shoulders. All right, let's make his lower body. So we are going to make a line, a diagonal line like this, and another one on the other side like this. And let's make a horizontal line like this. And let's make his shorts by making a diagonal line like this on each side. And let's make a horizontal line like this. And let's go up. And then let's go down like this and make the other part of his shorts. So we have his shorts. And let's make another horizontal line right here for the top portion of his shorts. All right, let's make his legs. So we are going to make a vertical line going down like this. And another one like this for one leg. And let's do the other side. And let's make his shoes. So we are going to make a horizontal line like this on each bottom of the leg, like that. And we are going to make a line like this, then come out, then come in, and then connect. And let's do the other side. A vertical line going down like this, and another one going down like this, going out, and then connect. And so we have Muhammad Ali in defense mode, protecting himself because he is boxing. And so now the next step is to color. As you can see, these are the colors that I used. I hope you had fun coloring history. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this.